It's back to school season. You can see we've got people behind us. We've got buses in the parking lot. Tonight is open house for one of our local schools here. And I am here to let you know that we are running a back to school campaign. School in the United States starts this week or next week for most of our students, but in Haiti, school doesn't start till October 1st. There's a lot of risk due to the gang activity and the uncertainty in Haiti, which is making it very hard for everybody to have access to education. A lot of the fees that were provided by NGOs run out of the United States have also been cut. So we want to continue to help our partners flourish for those students that we're sponsoring in Jacmel and Port-au-Prince. So we're asking for your help. You can help us by becoming a monthly sustainer or a one-time gift. If you want to be a curiosity cultivator, that's at $40 a month, and that will help with our primary school programs that we sponsor. L'École St. Trinity and CEI are just two of those programs. If you'd like to do $75 a month to become a Hope Sustainer, that will help our high school students. Last year we had 24 Living Faith students. This year we have 24, and we'd like to get more into the program of those who just graduated from L'École St. Trinity. They are all not sponsored yet. We really need your help in this area. If you would like to help one of those students that have already graduated from Living Faith to go to vocational school or to learn a new skill set and become a dream maker at $150 a month. And then Champion of Change will be $250 a month, which we will help with our college and our university students. So please consider this as you send your children or your grandchildren off to school right now. We really need your help in this area, and we're going to run this for a few weeks so that we can sponsor more children. Thank you for cultivating hope and transforming lives in Haiti.